guys. So we stopped right here at Olive Garden to pick up turkey. Celebrate over here.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Have a good one. You too. We stopped to pick up her some Olive Garden soup because Turkey's not feeling her best.
And I have black snot.
Wait, what? Ma, if you watched it 100, you will see, like, you will get the reference.
You need to watch it.
I have been watching it.
No, you haven't. You don't know what black snot is or black blood.
We are now on our way. I had to turn y'all off, turn y'all back on. But we are coming to Turkey's first consultation for her prom dress.
Period.
Can't wait. And y'all gonna be with us through this whole process. Getting her prom
Look
dress.
at this black head.
What you with that from? Out your chin? Prom dress. Picking out shoes. Different hairstyles. Like all of the good girly stuff. Yeah, so I will let y'all know. I'll let y'all know when we get inside. And
Yes, period.
put it up. So I did not record the consultation simply because it was like other people in there and I didn't want to like invade on their privacy because they were also coming for a consultation. So we changed her dress from what she really wanted. She's seen a totally different dress and she was like, that's the one. That's the her dress and the gift that we're gonna bless her with. Yeah. Because when she look back at her photos, when she get my age or, you know, whatever, have kids, and she look at those photos, I want her to remember, you been that girl, you still that girl, and you gonna always be that girl, because you're that girl. I'm gonna go ahead and go, y'all, because he talks very loud when he's on the phone. But what's 6 times 6? 9 times 9. What's 8 times 3? 7 times 7. What's 7 times 11?
77.
What's 12 times 8?
12 times 8. 96.
All right. What's 11 times 4?
12 times 4. 44.
What's 10 times 11?
110.
Hey. I'm new to this. Okay, so this is the new home for my Nespresso. And right now I'm just gonna set it up, read the instructions on how to work it. Yeah, get to it and I will be right back. This is so nice. Thank you as well. Hey y'all, so excuse the TV if you hear it. My husband is watching the Bears game. This is how my Kindle is right now. I still have the Christmas stuff on there. And this is my current book that I'm reading with my book club. I want to remove this. I want to remove the Christmas thing. I do have another skin on here, which is pink, that I want to possibly take off. I'm not sure yet, so that's the only reason why I have not removed it. But I brought this, I brought these two pink Kindle skins, and I printed out these inserts. So this insert will go with this one. So this would be like the back of the Kindle. This would be the front. I printed out this one because I feel like it can go with either or. I printed out this one to go with this one. This will be the back of the Kindle, and this will be the front. Then I recently brought another Kindle pouch. Which one do you guys think? That one. This one around in the house. Make everybody vote. And they picked that one. Hey you guys, so I'm just gonna talk to y'all a little bit while I'm rinsing my hair. I'm in the process of, I guess, making myself feel like myself again. I have decided to just pour more into the things that I like doing. Like when I first started my YouTube channel, like way back then, like I started out doing makeup and wig tutorials, and long story short, we brought it home. I started doing stuff around the home. I would say 85% done. And I won't have no more like home tutorials to do, like home videos to do for you guys. So I have to get back into me, like what makes me me. Want a hug? Okay. Come on.
Yeah.
No, you can't floss right now.
Yeah.
You need to floss?
What?
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, you're so heavy.
muscle.
Muscle. Okay.
Yeah, muscle.
Muscle.
Mm-mm. Yeah, muscle.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi to you.
Say my name is Real.
Hi to you.
Look.
Hi to you.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi to you.
Look at the camera.
Hi to you.
Say my name is Real.
I'm running a bit.
Say, and I'm a big boy.
I'm a good boy.
Yay! Now see, Israel hair is so pretty.
Hi, Mommy.
Hey, Israel.
Wow.
A little bit. No, you
Cute.
need more than that.
Cute, you.
Okay, that's it.
Is it?
That's it. You all done?
And then?
All right, let me see. My story with raising a child with autism, that's a whole nother story. That's like a whole nother ball game. And any parents out there that have a child that has autism, I always say, I am with you. I am praying for you. You are not alone. Any parent that's out there that's dealing with grief, I am with you. You are not alone. I pray for you deeply, okay? Because that can, back to what I was chatting to you guys about. I told myself that I'm gonna stop having coffee like in my cup on the go, in the car. Whenever I want coffee, get out my car, go in the coffee shop, go have some tea, go have a nice matcha. I don't know how much I like matcha, but you know, just sit down, sit in that moment and enjoy myself. And that's what a hobby that I have been enjoying, which is reading. So reading for me has taken me to a different level in my life. Helped me a lot in like depression, or I just need a relaxing moment, whatever moment I need, I get it out of a book and it helps me. It just helps. I've been having my Kindle now for a year. I have the Kindle Color Soft. I will give you guys like a update on it if you are like curious and you want to buy you one but you're not sure where to start, because that's where I was. I didn't know where to start. I'll give you all a whole little scroll on that. I wanted to tell you guys about the book that I have been reading with my book club. Last Letter. It is by Rebecca Yarros. I am on, I believe, the 7th chapter in this. I wouldn't say it's an enjoyable book right now, but it is readable, okay? And I would say that only because this book does deal with grief and some things are happening and going on right now, and I don't want to spoil it, but some things have happened. So, okay, this story is following the character Ella. Ella had twins at the age of 19 years old. Her grandmother passed away and left her what is it called? She have like a whole ski place that have cabins, and but anywho, it's her and her brother Ryan. Ryan is in the Navy. He basically have a best friend there. His best friend name is Chaos, and him and Chaos has been best friends for like the last 10 years. He know like Chaos basically had like a troubled childhood. Ryan trying to hook his sister and his best friend up, like, you know, basically y'all need each other. So Chaos, like, you know, he ain't too interested because, you know, he like kind of tough. Like he just like, yeah, Ella basically started writing him basically like pen pals. She was letting him know like, dude, I don't want you, so don't think I want you. I'm just trying to be a supportive friend, and you know, we could be pen pals and you know, basically just check up on each other or whatever. So during this time, Chaos has basically lightened his emotions and he's starting to feel her. Fast forward to where I'm at now. Ryan has sent so-called another friend to take care of his sister, like not take care of her, but he has the friend got released from the Navy, basically at the cabin, and he's like, man, you know, she's beautiful, and you know, I'm just trying to see where the story's gonna go right now. And I don't want to say too much because some things are happening with the family and the children, and it's just like, okay, where is this going? I'll probably do like a book vlog. I want to finish my hair. It is a net flying in here. I have let this rinse sit in my head long enough. I want to go wash it out and wash my tracks, and yeah, and then I guess close out the video. If you guys get a chance, if you would like to read along, pick up the book. Okay, let me go and wash this out my head.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me, and I wish somebody would've should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know, it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing,
I'm happy. Okay, you guys, hopefully this video wasn't like too much of everywhere, but I do love to bring more beauty videos and more about my Kindle and my books. Like, I'm gonna start watching some girlies on YouTube that have a booktube channel. That's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna subscribe to some of their channels, like giving me good recommendations that is moms that have their daily life going on. And yeah, now I probably would sit and watch that. I probably would, because it's relatable, you know. I love how my hair came out. I have a couple of runs adulting to do tomorrow. I'm gonna end this vlog here and start another one for you guys for tomorrow. So I thank you so much if you hung out with me today. Continue to have a blessed day, a blessed week. Pray over your children, pray over your household, pray over your marriage, pray over your spouse, like whatever it is that you have going on. Pray over it, put God first, and I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. I did my hair. Now my daughter can't say she did this. Cause I did them curls. I did them curls, girl. I did them curls, girl. Okay. Bye.
whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great.